Hi all, welcome to Amol Facebook Live. This is your foodie chef Swagata. So we are an Amol platform. This is the largest as well as longest show on Facebook. So today I will prepare a very delicate thing, that is paneer shahi kebab. So here are the ingredients. So obviously I will use Amul paneer, Amul cheese, Amul butter. Then this is actually potato, boiled potato. So आज बनाएंगे पनीर शाही कबाब. तो इसके लिए पनीर अमूल का ही पनीर है, अमूल का बटर है, अमूल का चीज़ है. मैं जानती हूँ आप सब लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. Welcome to my show. This is a foodie chef Swarata. Yeah, and yeah, I know you people have missed me. Me too. Love you all. And देखिए, बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. What I am going to use is उबले हुए आलू, that is boiled potato. It's not hard boiled. This is pure boiled potato. This is chana dal. इसको थोड़ा हम बॉईल करके इसको पीस दिया. So you have to grind this chana dal and you will make a paste. You have to boil the dal and you have to make a paste. So, and obviously I have garam masala, खड़े masale that I have to prepare for this. धनिया के पत्ते and green chilies, and इस पर है coriander. All are mixed masalas, that is जीरा, धनिया और लाल मिर्च. So I am using all this cumin powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. So, and I will use coriander as well as boiled potato, Amul paneer, Amul cheese and Amul butter. So let's start today's show. So ये तेल थोड़ा गर्म हो रहा है अभी. What I am going to do within this time, I will slice some onion. ये ऑनियन को थोड़ा स्लाइस कर लूँ मैं. एकदम बारीक स्लाइस करिए क्योंकि कबाब का जो टेस्ट आता है ना वो बारीकी से ही आता है. Because what I mean to say is when you are slicing the onion, you just make fine slices. So firstly, I will add the onion. इसमें थोड़ा बटर हम ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि if you add some butter ना the taste will be different. Butter. You just have to check whether it is the shallots are just in pink in color. Then you will add the other veggies. Now I will add this. Then yeah, what I am doing, I am frying this onion, the coriander, and I will fry this masala. This is cumin powder, red chili powder and coriander powder and some red chilies. This is basically onion and the dry masalas. It's almost done. Now I will grate the aloo. This is boiled potato. आज इसको पूरा बॉईल करके थोड़ा मतलब पूरा के पूरा बॉईल कर लिया और अभी उसके साथ आई विल ऐड द पनीर. You can grate it or you can just use your hand or you can blend it, but I will prefer in this way. If you grate it, you will get the best texture. So what I have done, I have added boiled potato and I am now adding the paneer. Yeah, थोड़ा messy होगा because you know when you have just binding all the things and you are arranging everything, so it will be little messy, but it's fine now. You have to understand every steps, right? Because you are cooking with Swagata, your foodie chef, and this is my food blog, that is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So, regarding the potato and the paneer, I will always say this is paneer shahi kebab. So, the amount of paneer will be more. You can take 100 gram or you can take 200 gram accordingly your wish, because how much you want to prepare, how much kebab you want to prepare, that is the main thing. So now this is chana dal. It's boiled and then I have just blended this in a mixer. So I will use this because it gives a very royal taste. You know, when you will blend everything, you will get a very lovely taste. So now I will add some salt. Okay. Now this masala. This is onion, red chili and coriander in oil and all the masala like say cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Now mix well everything. Now I will add the besan in it and some maida. Now let me clean the place a bit. Then I শুধু ওই তুমি এটা করেছিলে তোমার 5G I'm waiting for this soil. Now I am making the kebab. The dough I have just prepared the dough in front of you. Now I am giving the shape of the kebab. And if you have rice flour, you can use. If you have besan, you can use. Whatever you have, I am using some rice flour. Just put it like this. Because rice flour gives a crunchiness, you know. So I will make plain paneer shahi kebab, and I will put some cheese with some kebabs, okay? So you can see how lovely it is going. One after one kebab I am adding. बातें बहुत ही कम हुआ है क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से कबाब बन रहा है. So this is friends, this is your foodie chef Swagata. I'm from Kolkata and this is the lovely show that is this is the world largest show as well as this is the longest show of Facebook. This is Amul Facebook live show and this is our foodie chef Swagata and this particular place that is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So you follow me on Insta and Facebook and my YouTube channel is there, that is also Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. And today I am preparing this paneer shahi kebab. So you've seen I have used mostly like paneer from Amul. I've used some cheese and the veggies are like very minimal things like coriander, like boiled potato and the main ingredients is Amul paneer. Yeah, be patient with this because बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से आपको काम करना है क्योंकि कबाब बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है और इसको पलटने में भी आप बहुत you just when you are tossing it, be careful. It's very soft. You can see the texture. It's very soft. friends, I hope you are enjoying the show. You have to check if you have any question. Today I am engrossed with my cooking, so it's very less interaction with you. I can't see it from here. I don't know why. I have to check. I have to go there and I have to check. Any question? Many friends have joined and I'm so happy. Just see. The paneer shahi kebab is going. Let me check. Actually, I am waiting for the golden brown color. Yeah, just see. Perfect color. Now a little more oil I have to put. Yeah, somebody is asking क्या बना रही हो? Yeah, actually I am preparing paneer shahi kebab, and step by step I told everybody how to prepare. You can go to Amul Facebook Live and you can again you can check. Now almost done. So we're joined after some time or just now. This is your foodie chef Swagata from Kolkata. Yeah. So this is 4 years I'm with Amul. This is the largest and longest Facebook show, and the journey is too cool. And I'm very proud that I'm part of this Amul show, and I'm very proud that my guests are always there, and it's a lovely feeling, when I am here and the food is there and people are around. So it's the perfect day for me. So it's done now. This is my plate. I hope you're liking every part of it. Now I want to dish this. So it's done. So friends, this is the paneer shahi kebab. It's done for today, and you can see how lovely it is looking. And this is your foodie chef Swagata, and this is Swagata's Cooking is Heaven. So please subscribe my channel, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Insta, and be there with me in this Amul show. So bye for today. Take good care. I will be back next week. Bye. Yeah, this is your paneer shahi kebab. And just log into Amul Facebook Live. You will get to see step by step. आप अमूल फेसबुक लाइव में जाइए और ये देखिए कि ये पार्ट बाय पार्ट इसमें है, कैसे स्टार्ट किया एंड एंड तक. दिस इज़ द रिजल्ट एंड दिस इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड सिल्की. ये माउथ में एकदम मेल्ट हो जाएंगे. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट. टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. बाय फ्रॉम योर शेफ Swagata. Bye. Take care.